All right, this is the before. When they're done, we'll show you the after. Well, today's the day. Today's the day that we are going to put on the rock sliders. Yeah. Let's take a look at these things in the sun. Here we go. And they're going to go on right there. And we were going to do that all by ourselves, Erie and I. And then I had a better idea. You see, my son-in-law lives a couple of hours north, and he has a nice warm shop. And so we're going up there to the nice warm shop tonight. Son-in-law, grandson, and we're going to put that bad boy on. Of course, we're going to put that one on too. So stay tuned. Okay, I just can't stand waiting until the night to at least do some of this stuff. I'm going to try and take these little plastic things off right here. Okay, and kind of prep us. Now we'll need to take that particular screw off right here for the emergency brake, and then put that back on. And then we need to take this screw off, this screw off, and this screw off, bolt, whatever. I'm a computer guy, okay? And so that the fuel tank rock guard can slide down, because we have to put these in underneath. Now, we'll see if I have to drill any more holes right in here. Because it looks like I've got some pre-drilled holes, so that's pretty cool. But all of these, everything should just line up. Of course, they've got all types of holes in here, and so you just kind of slide that thing on and screw it in, bolt that sucker in. So there we go, and that's what we do. We just kind of pop those things out all the way on down. Okay, number one, to leave well enough alone. I decided, you know what? I can put some of this stuff on, so I've got my, now we've got, what type of sliders did you say we bought?
Apex.
APEC?
Apex.
Apex. And then, of course, these CALI Raised hardware stuff came with. So let's see what they got. I've already opened it up. There we go. Looks like these go on those. Looks like this is all the stuff that's going to go actually right in through here. Okay. Two of those, but no instructions. I get it. It's like, I guess we're supposed to just assume we know how all this stuff is going on. Well, I'm a computer guy. I don't know how this stuff is going on. That's why I'm going up to the son-in-law's tonight, and we're going to get that stuff done. But you know what? I can hypothesize that these things go right here. So that's what I'm going to do. At least that part. Okay, it looks like that's a 3/16 Allen wrench that's going to go right in there, and it looks like they're going to come down from the bottom, and then I put these in. So probably going to have to do this a little bit like that. All right, first one's done. You can see I put in all of those screws right in there. Should be a really nice surface to step up on and all of that. So yeah, I got to get that one done. Well, those were lined up a lot better than the driver's side. There was a couple on this end on the driver's side that just weren't quite ready down here to off just a little bit. I kind of had to finagle them in, but not so with this one. So I'm going to tighten these up, and then that's kind of it for this stage before we head back up to daughter and son-in-law's and actually put them on the vehicle. So we'll see you in a bit. We'll need to. See, here's what you do if you're a computer geek. You get people who know what they're doing to work in your son-in-law's shop with nice big fire, and there we go.
Put the other plugs back in the center. Okay, so look here, see the bolt pattern? Match it up. I'm trying to do that.
You know, it sure is enjoyable watching your grandson and one of his friends work on your vehicle. They sure had a good time. It was fun to go over kind of how things should be working. Watch him struggle a little bit, which is not such a bad thing for 16-year-olds. And of course, then he had his friend along to help out. Now, when they were working, and you see them working real hard here, when they weren't working, they were out there making sure that their music was playing really good. Thanks, guys. Couldn't have done it without you. And here's the finished product. What do you think? Looks really nice. Both sides. We're going to have a lot of fun now. Bye-bye.